Okay, so to make caramel popcorn, I did start off by popping some popcorn in my air fryer. In my saucepan, I mixed up 1 cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of cacao syrup, and 1 stick of butter. I went ahead and stirred it up until my butter melted, let it came to a boil, set 5 minutes, and added in a half a teaspoon of baking soda. That's how it became this light brown color, and also it like doubled up the caramel sauce. I poured over my popcorn while the caramel was still hot, and it is important that you mix fast at this point. And to get the full coverage, you just really have to keep mixing. So I just kept folding it around and over and over. And you guys, you can use like microwave popcorn or a bag of popcorn out the store, like Dollar Tree or whatever. Okay, so this is how it looked when I poured it into my pan over parchment paper. I cooked it in the oven for 1 hour, stirring every 15 minutes, and this is how it looked when it was done. Because I am extra, I put it back into the bowl once I cleaned it, of course, and I added some macadamia nuts and some white chocolate, and I just mixed that up until it was fully covered, set it in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes, and took it out, and y'all, I had some white chocolate caramel macadamia nut popcorn, which is so yummy. See ya.